Good morning, children. How are you doing? Hope you are doing well and safe. Today, we are going to learn the second part of the English lesson, The Wonder Ball. Here is the story of the first part in brief. Philemon and Baucis were an old couple who lived in a hut on a mound. They worked hard in their farm and were only able to get as much food as they needed. They were kind and would never let any stranger to go without food. They shared their own meal with them. What happened one day? One day, two ragged strangers visited the village. Seeing them, the dogs started barking and boys started hooting at them. So Philemon brought the strangers to his hut, and Baucis kept a bowl of milk on the table. Now, let's proceed to the second part. Let's begin with the meanings. Confusion, uncertainty about what's happening. Baucis looked at the strangers in confusion. Astonished, wondered. Baucis was astonished as the guests filled their cups again from the bowl. Ordinary, normal. Baucis realized that the strangers were not ordinary men. Angels, messengers of God. The strangers were actually the angels from heaven. Pleased, showing pleasure or satisfaction. The strangers were pleased with their kindness. Kindness, being friendly or generous. The strangers thanked the old couple for their kindness. Desire, wish for something. The strangers told them to live in the house as long as they desired. Mansion, a grand house or a palace. The old couple were astonished to see their poor cottage turn to a grand mansion. Humbly, being modest, they humbly prayed to God and lived in their mansion, doing good to everyone. Children, let us proceed to the explanation of the lesson. Please open page number 76, sixth paragraph onwards. Baucis poured the milk from the bowl into 2 cups and placed them before the guests. They drank the milk and later one of them asked for some more. Baucis, in confusion, said, "Sorry, my dear guest, there is hardly a drop left in this bowl." "Why?" cried the guest, taking the bowl. "There is milk in this bowl as much as we want." So saying, he filled not only his cup but also his friend's. Baucis was astonished as the guests filled their cups again from the bowl. She could hardly believe her eyes. "They are not ordinary men," whispered Baucis to her husband. "Yes," he replied, "they must be angels from heaven come to bless us." "Good mother," said the guest, "we thank you for your kindness. May your bowl be full of milk always." Children, there was only a bowl of milk left, and Baucis poured it into 2 cups and placed them before the guest. They drank the milk, and one of them asked for more. When Baucis said, "Sorry, no milk," one of the guests said, "There was milk as much as they wanted," and filled both their cups with milk. Seeing this, Baucis was greatly surprised. Both of them realized that they were not ordinary men, but angels from heaven who have come to bless them. They then thanked them for their kindness and blessed the bowl to be full of milk always. Then they went to bed. Philemon and Baucis could hardly sleep because of the wonder that the strangers had worked with the bowl. The guest arose early next morning and got ready to go. Philemon and Baucis walked out with them for a short distance. Good, Philemon and Baucis, said one of the guests. We are God's messengers. We are much pleased with your kindness. Ask for anything you like, you shall have it. When they went to bed that night, they could not sleep. Their mind was filled with all the wonderful happenings. But next morning, when Philemon and Baucis walked with the strangers to bid them goodbye, they revealed their secret. They said that they were God's messengers. They also said that they would grant them anything they wished for. The old couple looked at each other. After a moment, Philemon said, Good angels, we wish to die together. Be it so, replied the angels. There's your home. Live in it as long as you desire and come to heaven together. Old Philemon and Baucis were astonished to see their poor cottage turn to a grand mansion. When they turned round to thank the angels, they saw nobody there. They humbly prayed to God and lived in their mansion, doing good to everyone. The old couple said that they desired to die together. The angels turned their poor heart into a mansion and said that they could live there as long as they wished and could come to heaven together. Old Philemon and Baucis were astonished to see their poor heart turned into a mansion. But when they turned to thank them, the angels had disappeared. They humbly prayed to God and lived in their mansion, doing good to everyone. Children, I hope you all understood the lesson. Let me check your understanding. There's a small activity for you. There are 5 questions with options. You must choose the correct answer. First one. Baucis was astonished because dash. There was milk in 2 cups. There was hardly a drop of milk. The stranger filled the cup with milk. The correct option is the stranger filled the cups with milk. Second, together the couple decided that the strangers were dash. Beggars, rich men, angels. The correct option is angels. Third, the strangers wished her bowl would be full of dash always. Honey, money, milk. The correct answer is milk. Fourth, Philemon and Baucis wished to dash together. Work, die, dance. The correct answer is die. Fifth, their poor cottage turned into a dash. Hotel, lake, grand mansion. The correct answer is grand mansion. Children, here we have completed the explanation of the lesson, The Wonder Wall. Here is homework for you. First, learn to read the lesson correctly. Second, learn the meanings of the difficult words. Third, write the answers and the exercises from the lesson. Bye for now. Stay healthy, stay safe. Remember always to wear your mask and do your task.